we just finished up bracing everything. Everything's braced, straightened, and they're double plate. Now they got to put the double plate on all the top, and that's what they're doing. Once they get all the double plates on, and then we're going to start putting sheeting on the outside. The students come to this program to be out here, not being in a classroom setting. If you're short, they ain't gonna hurt a fence. Just so you get good nails in that wall here.
You sit in there for 9 hours and then you get to come out here for the rest of the year and work on this house, and it's a lot better out here than sitting in those 4 walls. You always want to make sure that your work's up to standards, especially with students living in here, and make sure that you're doing it right.
The first week we spent it in the shop pretty much, so it's only been about 2 weeks. So the first week we got to spend in the shop going over tools, going over safety, all that stuff. We got to make sure we're safe when we're out here, so we got to go through all that first. And it takes a good week to get through that. I think we might have been even a part of the second week we were in it, and then we got out here and got started.